Today we're knitting this Polish rib stitch, and it looks pretty much identical to the Swedish rib. There is no difference in appearance. I cannot see any. The only difference here that it's differently than the Swedish one. I have tutorial for the Swedish rib stitch. You can see it linked down below. Only similarity that it's also 4 stitch per 2 rows and then repeat of the pattern. I cast on 22 stitches for the purpose of this video. For this pattern we need to cast on multiples of 4 plus 2 edge stitches. First row edge stitch slip, and then I purl 1 and knit 3, purl 1, knit 3, and repeat to the end of the row. And the last stitch is purl as well, as usual. Second row, first stitch slip, then first knit, and second is purl. Here after this I repeat the pattern. I knit 3 stitches and purl 1, and when you knit the stitches be careful with this middle one. So you see it's turned a little bit different. Here you have front stitch, and here it's more like backwards. So make sure all the stitches you knit, you knitting using the right side of the loop, not the front but the right. So here this is the right side, and here if you see it lays a little bit different, and it's still right side. So pay attention to that, otherwise you'll have cross stitches on this road. And then repeat to the end of the row. I have 4 stitches left of the second row, and pay attention that in the second row it would be 1 purl and 2 knit in the end, not 3 knit but 2, because we shifted a little bit our stitches here. So the last stitch I purl as normal. Simple way to navigate. First of all, you can look at this tail here and see that this is the first row, it's beginning of the row, and that it means then 1 purl and 3 knit. And also here you see all the stitches here will be purl. Here is a mix purl and knit, and here knit, and again mix of purl and knit, purl, and so on. And the second row, here first there is a mix, 1 purl, 1 knit, and then you can see that here the purl row. So it's easy to navigate, and again the tail would be already on this other side. So let me know, guys, which one you prefer more. Is it Swedish rib or Polish rib? Maybe it would be easier for you to knit one or another. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one.